Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove stickers from a wooden door. These will be easy steps in a very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you have stickers on a wooden door and you want to remove them easily, this is the video for you. I have 4 young kids, so I am no stranger to stickers on the walls, on the doors, on the floors, in the car, everywhere. There's just stickers everywhere. There's writing everywhere. It's ridiculous. But I've learned how to remove those stickers, that adhesive, and those pen marks and those marker marks and stuff like that really easily. So let's get right into this video. Now, I do apologize. I am in an empty parking lot. It's late at night. So if you see me looking around, you know, I'm a little bit on high alert because it's like a very secluded parking lot. So I do apologize if I'm looking around. But we're going to get into these 3 easy steps, okay? So essentially, we're starting off with the easiest one and making our way to the hardest one. The first one is the easiest one, and it's the least intrusive, and it's to use a hairdryer, okay? So if you're taking off a sticker, you can use a hairdryer to heat it up just a bit. You don't want to get it too hot, but you want to heat it up a little bit, and that's going to sort of loosen up the adhesive, and you can then peel it off the door. So using a hairdryer to warm up the sticker and the adhesive a little bit should help you out, and that is the easiest, quickest way, okay? Now, if that doesn't work, and it's still a stubborn sticker on the door, on the wooden door, or any wooden thing for that matter, then you can move on to the second one, which is a little bit more intense, which is to get a wet rag. And I mean like a damp rag. It doesn't have to be wet, just a little bit of dampness on it. Get a little bit of water, put it on the rag, and rub that rag on the sticker. You can combine the hairdryer method with the wet rag method, and that's going to allow you to really get off most stickers for the most part. Now, the third method is if you have a sticker that's been stuck on there for a very long time. So if you have a sticker that's been on there for a super long time and is super stubborn, the adhesive just won't come out, then you can use method number 3, which is to actually get some rubbing alcohol. So just get a little bit of rubbing alcohol and put it on a rag, just a little bit on a rag, and then rub that rubbing alcohol on the sticker and the adhesive area, and that should loosen it up enough to get rid of it, okay? Then you can wipe it off with a wet rag after. But essentially, with the rubbing alcohol, you have to be careful because it does run the risk of taking off the finish on the door, or sort of even removing some of the paint finish on the door. So always keep that in mind. That's the last resort. And to be honest with you, I've never ever had to use rubbing alcohol. I've never had to use rubbing alcohol to remove a stubborn sticker on a door. A hairdryer and a wet rag have always worked fine. And trust me, my kids have put stickers on doors, and I noticed like all of a sudden, like 6 months later, because it's in the top corner of a door of a room that like I never go on that side of the door. You know, there's certain rooms like the laundry room. I always open the laundry room door from one side. I'm never really on the other side of the laundry room door. But guess what? There was a sticker there, and it had probably been there for 6 months. It was stubborn, but I got it out with just a hairdryer and a wet rag. So for the most part, a hairdryer and a wet rag will work wonders, okay? And the rubbing alcohol is just an added bonus if you have a really stubborn sticker. A sticker adhesive or anything. It could be a price tag, anything like that. Anything that sticks on a door. That's it. That is how to remove stickers from a wooden door with easy steps in a simplistic tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.